So we are set up to do a Dovetail Cabin Tools demo. And so we've got this Echo battery-powered saw, and we added the Dovetail Cabin Tool rollers to the bar. And then this is the jig. This jig is a 6x8 jig. It's set up to cut full dovetail joints. We're currently set up to square up the end of our log, so we'll get that squared up. And then we're going to go ahead and cut the dovetail. So we're just cutting the end of our log, and if we can cut it nice and square. The rollers are riding right in the jig. And that's just a nice, quick way to square up the end of the timber. So now that it's squared up, we're going to go ahead and remove the jig, and we're going to reverse it and line up on a center line so that we can cut our dovetails. And this is a 6x8 full dovetail jig. All right, and now we're going to take the jig and we're going to line it up right on the end of our timber. And we've got a center line there, and the center line lines up with these two windows. And then we just tighten up the jig equally, and we will be ready to cut our dovetail. So the first cut we're going to make, is our vertical cut. We're going to cut it right down, and you can see that those rollers stop the chainsaw. And that little notch right there will prevent that chainsaw from touching the jig. And this is the second cut. And again, our rollers are in contact with the jig. And we're just going to cut the face of this as we move our way through. So that's one half of the dovetail. That's the first half, and then we're going to roll it over and do the second half. Now what we found is we have that little Ego chainsaw over there. We found that there's a lot more flex in the bar to that Ego than this one. So if you got to pick one or the other, this little Echo chainsaw, better choice for this operation. Yeah, you don't want it flexing, and so it works. It's just a matter of the Echo works better.